Welcome to the Cars Insider channel, your ultimate destination for everything about the most exciting vehicles, from modern innovations to legendary classics. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss fresh reviews, detailed test drives, and unique facts from the world of automobiles. Today, we're reviewing a true symbol of Soviet automotive heritage making a comeback in a modernized form, the 2026 UAZ 469. This vehicle, known for its adventurous spirit, military roots, and off-road dominance, is back on the road with upgraded technology and adapted for the needs of the 21st century. The UAZ 469 was first introduced in 1972 and quickly became an irreplaceable companion for the military, police, and people in remote regions. Its simple yet rugged design made it a legend. In 2026, the UAZ factory decided to revive this iconic off-roader, keeping its bold design while equipping it with new capabilities. On the outside, the new 2026 UAZ 469 closely resembles its predecessor. Boxy shapes, high ground clearance, short overhangs, round headlights, and the signature front grille. However, the body is now built from lighter and more durable materials, including galvanized steel and composites. Several color options are available, including military green, gray, black, and even sand for expedition enthusiasts. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by an upgraded 2.7-liter petrol engine delivering 150 horsepower. A 2.2-liter turbo diesel option is also available, producing 140 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, while higher trims offer automatic options. Four-wheel drive is standard, and the vehicle features a new differential lock system and upgraded suspension, allowing it to easily handle steep climbs, deep mud, and rough terrain. The interior of the UAZ 469 is now significantly more comfortable. While it retains a utilitarian style, you'll now find climate control, a modern touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated seats, and even USB ports for rear passengers. The dashboard is made of durable plastic, the instrument cluster is easy to read, and the steering wheel includes audio controls and adjustable features. Safety has also been greatly improved. The new UAZ includes airbags for both driver and passenger, electronic stability control, ABS, hill descent assist, and tire pressure monitoring. All of this ensures a safer drive, whether you're off-road or on the highway. The 2026 UAZ 469 is available in multiple trims. The base version, perfect for military use and expeditions, starts at approximately 1,350,000 rubles. Higher-end versions with automatic transmission, air conditioning, and advanced electronics range from 1,550,000 to 1,800,000 rubles depending on features. There's also a soft-top variant with a shortened wheelbase aimed at hunters and fishers. One of the key highlights is that despite all the updates, the manufacturer has maintained the vehicle's ease of maintenance and simple construction. All main components are easily accessible, and spare parts are widely available across the country. This is a huge advantage for those planning to use the vehicle far from civilization. The new UAZ 469 is a perfect choice for anyone who values reliability, off-road capability, and the spirit of a true rugged vehicle. It's not just for the military or rescue teams but also ideal for farmers, hunters, fishermen, and adventure lovers. This vehicle continues the tradition of the past while embracing the present. If you're interested in this kind of vehicle, let us know in the comments what you think about its comeback. And if you already own a UAZ, share your experience, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our Cars Insider channel too. Stay updated on all the latest automotive releases and not miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.